Yesterday or last day, I taught you classification of soil, alluvial soil, black soil, red yellow soil and laterite soil के बारे में पढ़ाया था. Now look at the page number 176, arid soil or desert soil. Following are the main features of arid soil. First, arid soil range are red to brown in color. Third, sandy. They are generally sand in texture and saline in nature. Salinity. In the same areas, the salt content is very high and common salt is obtained by evaporating the water. Due to the dry climatic high temperature, evaporation is faster and the soil has no humus and moisture. Conquer. The lower regions of the soil are occupied by conquer. The region is the increase the calcium content downwards. The conquer layer formation in the bottom regions restrict the infiltration of water. After proper irrigation, these soil become cultivable as has been in the case of western Rajasthan. Forest soil or mountainous soil. These soil are found in the hilly and mountain region areas where the sufficient rainforests are available. The soil texture varies according to the mountain environment where they are formed. They are loamy and silty in valley sides, coarse grained in the upper slope. In the snow-covered areas of Himalayas, these soil experience denudation and are acidic with low humus content. The soil found in the lower parts of the valley, particularly on the river trace and alluvial fens, are fertile. Now, soil erosion. Erosion means the process of denudation of the soil cover and subsequent washing down or blowing away of soil cover. The active agent of the soil erosion are water and wind as well as human beings. Kind of soil erosion: gully erosion, sheet erosion, wind erosion, human factors. First देखें gully erosion. Gully are caused when the running water cut through the clay soil and makes deep canals. This makes land unfit for cultivation, known as bad land. Sheet erosion. Sheet erosion is caused when the water flowing down a slope removes soil over a large area. Wind erosion. It takes place when wind blows away loose soil of flat or sloping lands. Human factor. The cultivation of human-caused soil erosion in the variety of ways and over large area. The activities include bed farming practice, use of chemical and fertilizer, and defective irrigation system. Soil conservation. Soil conservation is the act preserving and protecting soil and nutrients. Some important methods of soil conservation are a counterplanting. It is done to decelerate the flow of water down the slope. Strip cropping. It allows strip of grass to grow between the crops. This breaks up the force of the wind. trash cultivation. It is done on the slope of western and central highlands that restricts water erosion. Shelter belts. It implies to shelter the soil from wind erosion. Rows of trees can be planted along the boundaries of field. Watershed management. It is a technique of managing water resources. It is essential for ecological restoration. Now, important resources, बायोटिक रिसोर्सेज, अबायोटिक, रिन्यूएबल, ये आपके पेज नंबर 178 में दिए हैं. इनको पढ़ें और याद करें. नाउ नेक्स्ट.